Hello, today I am going to show you how to use the activity status on Instagram. First, you need to launch the application. Now, the activity status feature tells you when a person is actively using Instagram and how long it's been since they were last active. So all you have to do is to go to your profile, click the hamburger icon here, go to settings. Under settings, kindly click privacy. Under privacy, click activity status. As you can see, your activity status is on. So in order for you to turn it off, you just have to slide it to the left. Slide to the right to turn it on. Now go back to your profile, go to your messages, and you can see here the activity status features show people you've direct message when you were last online and whether you're currently active on Instagram. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.